लेक्चर नंबर 18. नेक्स्ट, द एक्शन ऑफ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. अभी जैसे वी हैड गॉट Ki was converted to I2, H2S was converted to S, वैसे SO2 is not converted to S. That you need to remember. तो इसलिए I've written a question mark over there. Okay. Now, so what is the reaction? Same thing. It is acidified potassium dichromate when reacted with SO2. What is the product? It is converted to a metal sulfate and water. Then to balance the reaction is very easy, and it is converted to a green colored chromium sulfate. That is the reaction, and it is the test for sulfur dioxide. Okay, it is the test which is used to detect sulfur dioxide. So that is all about SO2. The next reaction, if you remember, we have already done in case of the oxidation reactions of primary alcohol is oxidized to aldehyde. Aldehyde further oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acid. It is in the presence of acidified potassium dichromate. Next, if it is a secondary alcohol, then secondary alcohol is converted to a corresponding ketone and H2O. So that is the reaction that we have already done many times in case of the oxidation reaction of a primary and secondary alcohol. The next reaction and the last reaction of K2Cr2O7, it is the formation of chromyl chloride. Abhi chromyl chloride, if I say immediately, you should remember which reaction? Method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones, Itard reaction. Chromyl chloride के साथ था, and then this is the method by which you can prepare chromyl chloride. Now it is chromyl, that is potassium dichromate when reacted with sulfuric acid, and in the reaction with NaCl, it is converted to bisulfate. Bisulfate. What is bisulfate? HSO4. उसके ऊपर charges -1. So potassium bisulfate का formula would be KHSO4 plus sodium bisulfate NaHSO4, chromyl chloride and water. Now बैलेंस कैसे करने का रिएक्शन को? इफ यू स्टार्ट विथ Cr2 वहां पे है ना, इसीलिए आई हैव रिटन 2Cr ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. देन नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद इफ यू सी ऑटोमेटिकली द रिएक्शन वुड बी बैलेंस्ड. K2 है, इसलिए वी हैव रिटन 2K ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, and see the reaction would be balanced automatically, and that is all about the reactions of K2Cr2O7. Next, the uses of K2Cr2O7. Before the uses, chromyl chloride जो है, we get the red vapors of chromyl chloride, उसको condense किया, then it is converted to a oily red liquid. That is of chromyl chloride. Uses of chromyl chloride: it is used as oxidizing agent, it is used in the tanning of leather, it is used for dyeing purpose, it is used to manufacture the pigments and ink, it is used as a primary standard in the volumetric analysis and the determination of more salt and iodine. It is used to detect the chloride ions by the chromyl chloride test. So those are the uses of potassium dichromate. That is all we have completed with K2Cr2O7. Even the structures of Cr2O7 2- and CrO4 2- expected as a 2-mark question in the exam, that we have done in the previous lesson. So in the next lesson, next lecture, we start with KMNO4 का method of preparation.